Imagine filing a case and getting it resolved within 45 days instead of waiting for years. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this dream is now a possibility with India's revolutionary Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or BNS of 2023. This new law replaces the outdated Indian Penal Code or IPC and is designed to make justice faster and more accessible. So, how will it work? What does it mean for you? Let's dive in to find out. India's legal system has long been criticized for its inefficiency, but with the introduction of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or BNS of 2023, things are about to change. The BNS replaces the IPC, which was over 160 years old, and introduces provisions that aim to deliver justice in record time. This law, along with the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita or BNSS of 2023 and the Bharatiya Sakshya Bill of 2023, is part of a larger reform to modernize India's criminal justice system. In today's video, we'll focus on how cases will now be resolved in just 45 days, the key provisions of the BNS and what it means for you. One of the most significant promises of the BNS is resolving cases in a time-bound manner, especially for minor or less complex offences. This 45-day timeline is revolutionary in addressing the backlog of cases. Why 45 days? India currently has over 4.7 crore cases pending in courts. Time-bound trials aim to reduce this burden and restore public trust in the legal system. In the case Husainra Khatun vs. State of Bihar brought attention to the plight of under-trial prisoners and highlight the right to a speedy trial as part of Article 21 of the Constitution. The BNS operationalizes this principle by enforcing strict timelines. Let's start with some of the most important changes introduced by the BNS. First, time-bound justice. Cases involving minor offences must be resolved within 45 days. 2. Modernization of laws. Outdated offences like sedition have been scrapped and replaced with new provisions. 3. Stronger punishments. Stricter penalties for heinous crimes including the death penalty for mob lynching. 4. Victim-centric approach. Enhanced focus on victims' rights and protections. Now, let's explore these changes in detail. The BNS modernizes the definition and punishment for various crimes. First, sedition removed. The controversial sedition law, section 124A of the IPC, has been replaced by a provision targeting acts endangering national sovereignty. 2. Mob lynching criminalized. For the first time, mob lynching is specifically addressed with punishments going up to death penalty. Justice U.U. Lalit once remarked that laws must evolve to reflect contemporary realities. The BNS is a step in that direction. The BNS brings victims to the forefront of justice delivery. First, anonymity and protection. Special provisions for protecting the identity of victims, particularly in sexual assault cases. 2. Compensation for victims. Enhanced financial and psychological support for survivors. 3. Support for women and children. Offences against women and children such as trafficking carry stricter punishments. In the case Delhi Domestic Working Women's Forum vs. Union of India, this case emphasized the importance of victim compensation and supportive trial process. Principles that are further strengthened under the BNS. If you feel your rights are being denied under the new system, here's what you can do. First, file a complaint. The new laws ensure a simplified and streamlined FIR process. 2. Seek legal aid. Legal aid clinics are being strengthened under the new framework. 3. Approach fast-track courts. These courts prioritize cases needing urgent attention. 4. Use helplines. Dedicated helplines for victims of domestic violence, trafficking and more are now operational. The aim is to empower citizens to actively seek justice. Some recent updates on the BNS that took place in 2023 are: first, implementation timeline. The BNS officially came into effect on June 30th, 2024, replacing the IPC completely. 2. Sedition debate. The replacement of sedition laws has sparked discussions on free speech and national security. 3. Judicial commentary. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud called the reforms a progressive overall but emphasized the need for proper implementation. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or BNS of 2023 is a significant step in transforming India's justice system. While challenges remain, the law offers hope for faster and more equitable justice. Here are the key takeaways. First, cases involving minor offences will now be resolved in 45 days. 2. Outdated provisions like sedition have been modernized or removed. 3. Victim protections have been enhanced to ensure fair trial. 4. Citizens now have streamlined mechanisms to report violations. If this breakdown helped you understand the new law, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll answer them in future videos. Remember, the law is here to serve you. Let's make most of it. Take care and bye-bye.